Use ammonia to kill gnats in drains. To kill any gnats, along with their eggs and larvae, living inside your drain, simply pour a small dose of ammonia into the sink. This will effectively remove all use of the gnats. Just be sure to leave the ammonia to dilute for several hours before using the sink again, as ammonia is also toxic to humans. One easy way to rid yourself of a gnat infestation is with an easy and cheap do-it-yourself gnat trap. Find a used can or jar. Mason jars work especially well, and fill it with apple cider vinegar. Gnats are extremely attracted to the scent of vinegar. After you fill your can or jar, seal the lid, and poke very small holes with a nail or screw. Leave the jar in the space gnats usually inhabit. Like so many other insects, gnats feed primarily upon the food scraps you leave out in the open. The best solution to preventing gnats is to not feed them in the first place. By cleaning your kitchen and dining room regularly, and quickly disposing of leftover food scraps and cooking remains, you can prevent gnats from invading your house before they ever become a problem. Some types of gnats are attracted to the moist soil in houseplants, and even lay their eggs in it. There are several things you can do to get rid of the gnats and save your plant. Firstly, you should stop watering your plant until the top 2 inches of soil become completely dried out. This will cause the gnat eggs and larvae to dry out and die. There are many sprays available in supermarkets and hardware stores designed to kill all manner of flying insects. Simply spray the insecticide onto the gnats themselves, or in the usual areas they inhabit. This will immediately kill any and all gnats